In this video, I'm gonna teach you about the input function in Python. So input function allows us to take input from the user and to store in a variable. When we called input function in our program flow will be stopped on input function. When we give input, our program flow will be started again. So let's see how we can use input statement in Python. So over here I'm gonna say variable equal to, and the syntax of input function is input keyword and then parentheses, and now inside these parentheses we can display our message to the screen in single or in double quotes. So let's say enter your string, and now let's print this variable. So now if I run the program, our program flow will be stopped on this input function. So let's see. So now over here I'm gonna enter some random string, and now if I press enter key, then this input function will start our program flow and will store this string in our variable. So let's see. You can see this string now over here. So this is the work of input function in Python.